Increasing your focus. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be increasing your focus so you can be more productive, more efficient, but also really manifest a lot better results into your life and not having so much chaos and stuff going around and having some focus for an hour and then not having a focus and everything else. There's a point in my life when I remember I was trying to sit down, I was trying to write my first paid ad, I was trying to write down a blog, I was trying to, really stay focused in some of the work I was doing many years ago. And my focus was about for 5 minutes. Okay, I was literally sitting down trying, and then I had the urge to get up. I'd just get up. I'd say, oh, I need a snack. So I'd go eat a snack. I'd sit back down. I'd try and focus, write about 2 words. I'd have the writer's block, if you will, and couldn't actually focus on anything. Then I'd get up and say, oh, I should probably do the laundry. So I do the laundry. Sit back down, try for 5-10 more minutes on focusing, and I'd sit there kind of just not really knowing what to do, right? And then I would go and say, oh, I need a drink of water. You could see the endless train that I was on, this endless cycle of not having focus and not getting things done the way I wanted to and not really being my best self, right? A couple of things that helped me, and they'll definitely help you. And by the way, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, is we have all the greatest personal development, manifestation, exercise, and techniques, and all the different things you're going to need to really get greater results month after month and year after year. And all of our programs are in the description as well. Manifestation Accelerator is your proven go-to system to manifest anything you want, literally for years. We have this system that's laid out for 2 years straight on knowing what to do for the next 2 years. And you can stay in for a month, you can stay in for 2 months or 2 years, whatever you like to do. Click in the link below to get the description of that. And then also, if you want to start teaching this information, we have a certification as well, where you can become certified to actually teach manifestation and start coaching people through personal development your own way in your own business. So increasing your focus, a couple of things that really helped me was, number one, clear out your distractions. Clear them out, okay? Your cell phone, and mine at the time, is the biggest blocker to your focus, okay? Very, very important. I would take an entire day. That's a long time. That's a big chunk of your life. I get it. But I've done it myself, and I've helped all my clients do it as well. It's very important. Take a day and clear out your phone. Turn off all notifications, besides, the ones that might be urgent, your ringer for your phone calls and text messages or whatever that might look like. But make sure all those notifications for anything else are completely off. Turn off and delete all the apps that you don't use, and actually clean out anything else on your phone. Now, this may sound preposterous. How is this going to actually manifest things faster in my life, right? Well, the big idea here is you only have a certain amount of mental space available to you on a daily and hourly basis. If your mind space is constantly drawn somewhere else, it's constantly drawn to social media. Oh, there's a ding because there's a Facebook notification. Oh, there's a ding because the game that I have on my phone that I never play, I got 10 coins or whatever the games are nowadays, right? So you have these things that are pulling you away from the thing that you want, okay? It's very important that you get rid of all those distractions, okay? That's step number one. It will improve. And when you're working as well, go with 30-minute increments at the start if you need to. Turn off the notifications on your phone. Put it on silent, okay? Very, very important. So your main notifications that you're keeping on there are important. Put it on silent during that work time that you're going to do. Number two, start with small increments and keep yourself seated in your chair doing something focus-wise for 10 to 15-minute intervals, okay? So literally force yourself basically to sit down and train your mind and train your body to actually be in front of your work for 10 minutes. You put a timer on, 10 minutes. The next day you do 11 minutes. Next day you do 12 minutes. Focus is a muscle. And for those people that are feeling really unfocused like I was years ago, my mind was weak in that department, in that area. My willpower to stay there and keep my mind focused on the thing that I wanted, okay, it was very, very weak. And I needed to exercise that muscle. So every day I tried it out, 10 minutes. I got all the way up to 20, 25, 30 minutes after a couple of weeks doing this exercise, and it started to become easier and easier to stay focused, okay? So really important, start with small increments, and then don't don't put yourself down. Don't tell yourself the story like, I suck at this. I only did 10 minutes of focus time. No, give yourself the credit and increase of saying, I focused for 10 minutes straight today. That's awesome. That's way better than I did yesterday. Couldn't even focus for 30 seconds, right? So you give yourself a pat on the back saying, I'm working it, I'm practicing it, things are improving. So that's super important there. Number 3, write down everything that's going on in your mind. A lot of us have a billion to-dos. To do in the health and fitness area, what you're going to do, what you're going to have for dinner tonight, what actions you need to do in your business or job or whatever it is, the friend or family member you got to call. And it's all going on here and you're trying to remember everything. And some people will say, well, I'm just really great at memory. It's fine. It'll come back to me when it needs to. No, it's the worst way of doing it because your mind is so clouded and so chaotic with a million ideas happening at one time. That's why you can't stay focused. So instead, take a piece of paper out, notepad, or just on your laptop or phone notes or whatever it is, and write down all of the to-dos, all the things that you want to do, all the priorities, all the commitments, all that stuff. Write it down and get it out of your head. Get it out of your head on your paper or on your actual electronic, your notepad, your laptop, whatever. Then focus into your project from there. You're going to clean up that mental space and you're going to be able to allow yourself to focus a lot more. And I'm telling you, this helped me manifest tenfold because I could keep my images on the screen of my mind a lot more. I could actually feel what I wanted to feel a lot more of the time. It's because I wasn't so chaotic. And our world right now is a very distraction-based world, right? Ads everywhere, social media everywhere, things everywhere, and it's extremely fast, especially if you live in a city. Like when I lived in Los Angeles or Miami or any of the areas, right? Or New York City, I mean, it is busy. And that's how it trains you to be, just busy, go, 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 and your mind is all over the place. There's no presence, there's no really key focus in what you're doing, right? So especially live in those areas, get rid of all the distractions that you can, get rid of the chaos, and focus. Stay calm. Follow the 3 principles we just covered here, and this will help you immensely whether it comes to manifesting new results, manifesting upgraded results, or just increasing your focus overall for the projects that you're venturing into in your job or business moving forward. All right. Let me know if this helps in the comments below. Let me know with a yes in the comments if this is helpful, and we might do a part 2 of being able to focus with 3 more different exercises and things you can work on to increase your focus. Let us know in the comments below. We'll make sure we're creating videos that are really enjoyable and helpful to you.